तो 2 दिन उसके बाद में भी we'll have to include into it. So 2 days when the line was in and 2 days after we have removed, definitely it is yes for 2 days, 2 calendar days. Now there is another one. June 1 ko we have inserted, June 3 we have taken the line, June 5th the patient spikes a fever. Do we take it now? It's tested positive. Do we take it now? Abhi 2 दिन हो गया remove किए हुए. So now we will not take it. Okay. So 2 days after the removal also, if we get a culture positive, we will take it into account and that will be counted as a CLABSI. Okay. Now solution is, what do? We have to avoid the line, but best possible is no. So what we do, we go ahead with care bundles. It's like a story which you all must have read in childhood कि एक लकड़ी है तो टूट जाती है बट बंडल होगा तो नहीं होगा. तो इट इज़ लाइक कि आपका एक महल है यहाँ पे जिसके जाने के 5 रास्ते हैं, तो आपको वो 5 रास्ते ब्लॉक करने पड़ेंगे, नहीं तो आर्मी पहुँच जाएगी ना. अगर 4 बंद कर दिए बट ये खुला है तो आर्मी नोज इट, वो सेना वहाँ जाएगी और आपको मारेगी. सो इट इज़ लाइक दैट. सो केयर बंडल्स आर बेसिकली लाइक दैट ओनली कि देयर आर 5 एंट्रीज जिससे इन्फेक्शंस हो सकती हैं. सो वील हैव टू ब्लॉक ऑल 5. So these are the care bundles, and can you see something red? The time and reason, which is not there with WHO, but we have modified. And what we actually did was कि यहाँ पे हमने time लिखा और reason लिखा कि कितने बजे हैं. So what we have seen that sisters have got their own protocols. 6 बजे एक sample लिया, 6:30 पे एक injection दिया, 6:45 पे patient है withdraw करा लिया, 7 o'clock she came to collect another sample. So multiple entries were there. So multiple entries means that you are giving an opportunity to bacteria that you enter inside and cause infections. So what we have done is we do a clubbing. आप कोई भी इंजेक्शन दोगे उसके आधे घंटे तक आपको कुछ लाइन से नहीं करना. So what we do is you take the sample before and at the same time inject the drug. So 1 line entry, but then 2 things are done together. Or you can have 2 drugs you can be given together if they don't have any interaction. So that's what we do. And don't use this. This is very bad because you don't know कौन से पेशेंट का किस में जाता है, एंड वी डिप इट इन अल्कोहल एंड अल्कोहल इज़ नॉट वर्किंग फॉर ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया एट ऑल. सो डेफिनेटली दिस इज अनदर चांस ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. सो यू कैन हैव कनेक्टर्स लाइक दिस. सो गो हैड विथ स्प्लिट सेप्टम, आप उसमें डालो, आपने क्लीन करा, 15 सेकेंड्स रहा, 15 सेकेंड्स वेट्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू डू इट. सो दिस इज हाउ वी मेजर. सो न्यूमरेटर इज गोइंग टू गिव यू हाउ मेनी इन्फेक्शंस ऑफ लाइक द ब्लड कल्चर्स आर पॉजिटिव, द वस्कुलर डिवाइस, एंड 2 दिन हो गए हैं तो वील टेक इट. Line days is like a format which is being given to the sister. They'll fill up how many central lines are there, multiplied by 1000 is going to give you data. So this is how a format which is being given to sister rather than counted every patient. This is what we do it in every ward. And this is how we started our journey, and you can see we started the indicators like 6.2. This was NHSN data. This is some Indian countries had published, 3-4 of them. We try normally to be with this only. These are small 46 countries who have built up a consortium, and उनका ये data है, this is what is there, but this is how we started, and finally definitely we have come down for a lot of things which we have done it, and this is what we have done. One is the collapsible bags we have been using is Novent, needleless connectors, pre-filled saline syringes are available. You go ahead, modifications in the checklist as I showed you, so clubbing of medications and samples. And then one and only one campaign, 1 syringe, 1 needle, 1 person, but 1 vial also, because any vial which is to be used as single use, especially आपका जो normal saline है, it does not have preservatives. तो आप एक बार ही उसमें से कुछ निकालते हो, air अंदर जाएगी, air के bacteria जाएंगे. And I'll share, yesterday we had Pseudomonas outbreaks like this. So we decided go for a small pack, 100 ml आप use करोगे, not bigger than that. ये नहीं कि 500 is easy, सस्ता है और उसमें से आप जितना भी निकालते रहिए. And always try to write a date so that you know it that you have been using it. And another is chlorhexidine bath and sponging with wipes. Either you give him a bath to reduce the bioburden, or you use wipes which are to be used as 6, and you go from clean to unclean area. So that's what you do. So this is what is a bundle, which everybody knows it, and I told you how we can go ahead with this. So I think I'm sure nobody wants the scenario like this, a hospital like this where bacteria are waiting at the doorsteps and the windows to come inside and cause infections, where patient is coming and he wants to step in but he is waiting कि जाना है कि नहीं जाना है. Do you want a hospital like this? अब कोविड में तो हम भी सब एडमिट हुए थे ना, और अगर ऐसा हॉस्पिटल है तो हम जाएंगे नहीं, तो हम बाकी सब भी यही चाहते हैं. So we want you to follow the infection control practices and don't have anything of this kind. Okay, thank you. Anything? You want to ask anything? Any queries?
We had a doubt. When we are collecting the data for central line infections, you include chemoport in the same category?
No,